friends, welcome back to Chhavi Spandan. This is Jaya, Chavi's mom. Today I'll be sharing with you all 5 very interesting and easy hairstyle for your kids. These hairstyles looks very pretty and beautiful for kids having short hairs. So friends, if you like my video, please click on like and subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more learning and to get the update of our next video. So friends, let's get in started. For first hairstyle, we'll make a single ponytail. Now we'll twist the ponytail by making a small hole in between the pony and taking the rest of the hairs in between of them. We'll take one bow and fix it in the center. So our first hairstyle is ready. For second hairstyle, we'll make a same ponytail. We'll twist the ponytail again by making a small hole in between and taking the rest of the hairs from that. Now we'll make the second ponytail attaching to the first one. We'll again twist the second ponytail as well by making a small hole in between and taking out the rest of the hairs from that. We'll attach one clip at the back. Now we'll start attaching the small beads on the front side of the hairs to make it more beautiful. These all beads, clips and any other hair decorating items are easily available in any cosmetic shops. So friends, our second hairstyle is ready. Wow, so pretty, isn't it? For third hairstyle, first we'll take a middle partition of the hairs. Now we'll take a small portion of the front hair and we'll try to make a small ponytail. We'll make a second ponytail behind the first one and attaching to the first one. Now we'll start making the third ponytail attaching to the second one. Now similarly, we'll repeat the steps for the other side of the hairs. Here also we'll make a 3 ponytail attaching to 1, 2 and 3. We'll attach the TikTok clip at the backside of the hair to make it fix. Now we'll put one beautiful bow. It will hide those black clips and give a beautiful design and shape. So our third hairstyle is ready. It looks like a crown hairstyle. Wow! Here I have decorated it with more pearls to make it more beautiful. It's completely optional. For this fourth hairstyle, we'll divide the hair from the ear side. Now we'll take some portion of the front hair and we'll make the first pony. Now we'll continue making the second, third and fourth ponytails on the left side of the hairs. Now we'll repeat the same process on the other side of the hairs by making the 4 ponytails below each other. Now both the side ponies are done. With the help of the TikTok clip, we'll fix the backside of the ponytail. Now we can attach one bow on the top. So friends, our fourth hairstyle is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Fifth hairstyle is a side cross hairstyle. For this, first we'll take the 3 layers of the side hairs and we'll start arranging in the sequence. It will continue on the side cross of the hair. Now we'll fix one clip on the corner below. Now on the front hair we'll start decorating with the beads, colorful beads. Friends, these all hairstyles are very simple and these all are very trending if you're making your kids ready for any party or any functions. So friends, our fifth hairstyle is ready. So friends, hope you like our video. You must try all these hairstyles with your kids. They will just love it. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning. And click on the bell icon for the update about our next video.